Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am back with another video. Wait, it's kind of lame, man. Let's start this all over, man. Cut.
MAC-32 action!
Hey, what's up, YouTube? We are back with another. Cut.
Action!
What's up, YouTube family? We are back with another video, and we are here today with our new purchase, and we are about to open it up and see what we're working with. But first, we have our DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and as you can see, it's following me around. That's what we're working with today, and we're going to do our unboxing of our purchase, our new purchase right here. But before we get to that, I want to say, do me a favor, give me a like on this video. Please, pretty please, give me a like right now. You're watching the video, we just getting ready to get started. You might as well give me a like real quick.
Have you ever even smashed the like button? Have you done that yet?
Yeah, actually, if you guys haven't done that already, I need you to not smash the like button. I need you to destroy that like button.
That like button. That like button.
That like button.
That like button.
I'll wait. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Just hit the button real quick. Hit the button. Like. Comment. Say anything. Put a cool face with the glasses. Put laughing, the crying. Put some kind of comment, man. Come on, wake up. Give me a comment. Give me a like. All right, I know y'all tired of hearing that. Let's get to it, man. The real reason why we here, all right?
Finally!
Some people know what this box is about. I think it came, no, I picked it back up. Sometime when you cover up from what you have it locked on, your auto, then like if I take this box and I put this in front of my face, it may take the lock off of the DJI Osmo. But some people know from this box what may be in the box. Let's get to it, baby. Let's get to it. Bam! I'm gonna pick it up real quick. Might have to put the lock back on it. Not gonna pick it up real quick. So, what we have in this box. Get that plastic out of the way. Did a quick purchase from Palmetto State Armory. That's where we picked it up from. And to get the owner's manual, you have to go online. And this gives you the information to get the owner's manual. Man, they was really tripping with this stuff, man. No other owner's manual in here. No, this is the first time I purchased a firearm and it doesn't have a key lock or anything on it. That's different. That's strange. But without further ado, I'll show y'all the mag first. Some of y'all gonna know what it is once I show the mag. Bam! Huh? 30 round mag. Who knows what it is? Uh-huh. All right, let's get to it, baby. Let's get to it. Ta-da! Yes, sir. MPA30T. T as in today. Pick this up from Palmetto State Armory. This is a really good piece. They call it the poor man's Mac-10, Mac-11. I call it the what I want to get, what I want to purchase, what my pocket can handle. That's what I call it. Regardless, you can still get it out to the range and you can still have fun with it. This comes with a barrel of about, I think it was like a 5.5 inch barrel. The full length of the firearm is about 11 inches in total. And You have a faux suppressor on the front, which is still made out of a material that feels like metal, aluminum. It screws forever to get it off. It's pretty. Yeah, this feels like actual metal, man. It feels like metal, real metal. This comes in a 9mm. I know this comes also in a 45. This is easy takedown on this. You got all metal up the top. And it's called the 30T. In my opinion, I think the 30T is for top charging, because I know they have a SST model which has the side charger on it. Side charger. This one has the top charger. It comes with the sights. You have your rear sight, your front sight. Your front sight have a little dab of a little white substance on it. Almost looks like the whiteout. Or a white marker or something like that. Of course, we know this is not loaded. There's nothing in the magazine. Nothing in the firearm. Safe direction. And nothing going on in there. Of course, you can order if you want to. You can order a suppressor, you know, put in for your, you know, your tag stamp and get you a real suppressor if you'd like to. You can do that. This has a Picatinny rail on the front where you can put flashlight, or if you want to put a laser light. This is all metal on the top. You have a plastic type substance down here. And this is easy to change, this plastic piece here. I've seen where some people put the Glock, like I think it's the Glock 19. They put a Glock 19 handle on it. Also, right here, you have this trigger guard. Feels like it's plastic, but it feels like metal. And it has a piece of rubber right here. I know, like, you know, when you fire, some people say that this was giving them issues. And if you have really big hands, your hand could hit this when it, you know, with the recoil on it. This is a part of the takedown in the front right here. This right here, you have your fire and your safe, your safety and your fire. You know it's on when you can see the words, it's ready to go, it's on fire. Flip it that way, you have it on your safety, you see the word, and it'll keep flipping around, man. Keep flipping around. If you wanted to take it down, you have to make sure that you fire it, pull the trigger so that it's not engaged inside to do your actual takedown. You have right here, you pull this out to take it down, and then you take a screwdriver or something and you get it up under here to pull this part out, and then this whole piece will come off. Not going to really go through all that for you right now. We talked about the 30 round mag, and I want to order maybe about another 2 of these so that I can have some fun, some super fun at the range. This MPA30T is similar, as I said earlier, to the Mac-10, the Mac-11. I would call it myself the baby of the babies of the Mac-10 or the Mac-11. One thing for sure, you can have a whole bunch of fun with this. I can't wait to get it out to the range so that we can have us some good fun with it. I've seen Uzis online from 2,700 up to 13,000. I'm thinking that the fully autos are probably closer to the 13,000. I think that was an auction. I seen it for that. I've also seen one online for 1,700 at a gun store. I was like, man, that's not a bad price at all. Of course, it wasn't a full automatic. It was semi-automatic, but that's a good one. That would have been a good one to, you know, to get your hands on too, man. Semi-automatic, 9mm, Also has the, if you can see right here, have the connections for if you wanted to put a pistol brace on here, you can add that right here. That's what that's for. And as far as the recoil, I hear the recoil is kind of rough on this, but we will find out once we get it out to the range. And hold 1 minute, man. I might think about taking this down. If you made it this far in the video, man, shoot me a like real quick. I am back. I am back. Back like I never left, man. So we're getting ready to try to see if we can do a quick break takedown on this. Never did it before, so we're gonna kind of learn together. All right, cool. Pretty easy, pretty easy. So like I said, I'm not going to show the full thing, but make sure that you pull the trigger. Trigger's not engaged. Then you have to pull this out right here. Take a little screwdriver, pop it into this right here to pull that apart. Take that out. All right, so once you take that out, kind of leans forward. Oh, it wasn't engaged. And it comes off, ta-da, just like that. And here are your internals on here. So if you wanted to take this off and put on a Glock, you have a couple screws up in here, and then you have 2 more screws here, and just that easy, it pops off, and then your trigger and everything stays in place. Trigger and all stays in place, and then this just slides out, and you put the new one in. These magazines with this cost a grip, man. I think the magazines are like $35. To take this apart, to clean it, this is pretty much all you have to do. You take that off right there to do your cleaning. This right here, this just slides right out after you drop your top, your top piece off right there. And then this will slide right out. And you can get right to your 5-inch barrel. Just like that, man. Stick it through right here. See it come through the other side. And you know it's nice and clean. And this is pretty much all you have to your firearm, man. Say again, if you made it this far, shoot a brother a like, man.
1 million.
Send me a comment.
Likes.
I don't know everything about firearms. Hey, I barely know anything. But guess what? We pretty much learn together with these joints, man. We learn together. And one thing I do know is you have to have this back here when you're putting this piece back in, because it's a little groove right there that does the drop in. And that's the only way it could come out, is back here. And then you slide it up and it's locked back in place. All right, put that on there. Slide this back on here. And just like that. Pop that back on there. And finally, right in there. And you are good to go. Check it. Safe direction. Make sure you're good to go. Make sure your safe is working properly. Safety is working properly. And that's it, man. That's it, folks. So we pretty much talked about everything. We talked about everything with the MPA30T. And I want to do something special with this. Not going to really tell you about it, but I'm going to do a little testing on this. We're going to do some different things with this, as well as get it to the range.
I'm so excited!
Not just get it to the range, but I seen something online that kind of like piqued my interest, and I'm not going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do something different. So we will see it when it happens. I want to tell you guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Send me that like, send me a comment, and I'm still, every video that comes up, I'm going to talk about that giveaway. I want to do the giveaway. I think I'm going to start my first, I know I'm going to do my first giveaway, and I'm going to give away a nice watch. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give away a nice watch to one lucky subscriber. All right. So that's coming up within the next couple weeks. Stay tuned for that. And tell somebody about the channel. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you at the range. Peace.
Caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.